Naka-check-in na kami, pupunta na kami sa aming room. Meron silang butter. Dati stove nila dati ko microwave. Wow. Stable. Yes, silang heater. Overlooking. Wow, look, overlooking. Maganda rin siya, kumpleto siya, meron siyang lutuan.
Papudot ka magdaramtan niya.
This is the closet. Wow. Let's hang our clothes. Yeah, may baon din kami for 2 days para hindi magutom. Siyempre, as usual, nagdala ako ng sarili naming bed sheets. So, pinalitan ko yung bed sheet nila. After dinner ay pupunta kami ng church service. It starts at 7 o'clock. So, pupunta kami at kami ay nakasuot ng pang-rugged. Habang siya ay nakasuot ng formal dress. Kasi yung sapatos namin ay naiwan sa sasakyan. No, we left our shoes inside the car. So we're wearing casual shoes. This midnight snacks tayo.
Says Orr's mother also works at the school and had been frantically looking for her daughter.
Ay, naku.
Apparently hadn't been seen for several hours.
With egg
It was her mother who made the
and bread.